Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta from Pasta Evangelists, and today I'm going to show you how to create the perfect ravioli. I will show you how to create ravioli using only one layer of pasta. So we have used the machine to stretch the pasta dough and is about 3 millimeters thick. We don't want it to be too thin because it's going to then break once we close and then we cook under hot boiling water. And we are going to infuse the ravioli today with delizioso ricotta and lemon filling, which I have showed you on my previous video. Now, I will leave a little bit of flour on both sides of the dough. Remember, when you do filled pasta, make sure that the dough it's not very dry. So it will help you to close it better, to seal each raviolo. So, and what I got today is 2 little spoons, guys. You can use a piping bag, so it is easier to fill each raviolo. But I want to show you that you actually can simply use 2 little spoons. I normally go for a full teaspoon, and I will start to place this way. As you can see, I basically fill the pasta dough and I leave the space. This space will be the one who will cover each raviolo. So as I say, 1 full teaspoon. Always leave about I would say a couple of fingers between each raviolo, so it will be easier for you to carry through. And yeah, you have to basically fill it all the pasta dough. And then another one here, the last one, guys. So we have left a space, and this will help us to then close the ravioli. I'm going to show you a very easy technique, which you're just going to cover and seal it through. Make sure that it's perfectly sealed. You don't want that the ravioli breaks into the water when you cook, so make sure that it is really nice and sealed, and then you can use both of your fingers to, can you see, guys, I already started to kind of shape the raviolo. And that's important also, so you're going to remove all the air bubble in each square. And you carry on until complete. So fantastico, ragazzi, we are ready to cut the ravioli. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour on top. And now, using the pasta cutter, you simply started to shape your beautiful pasta. So I will remove this first. And now you have to just carry through your beautiful ravioli. If it's too much, you can leave it aside, guys. So you have to simply carry through. And sometimes I try, as I say, guys, when it's ravioli that you make for your family and friends, don't worry about to be really precise. They are going to taste absolutely delicious. And these are your ravioli. As I say, 7, probably I will add another 2 more, and then you have already a portion of beautiful ravioli filled with lemon and ricotta, ready to be cooked, guys. So ragazzi, how to pair this beautiful ravioli? I will suggest a very nice and delicate sage butter sauce. So you are going to, each person you're going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter, a handful of fresh sage, and until it's really nice and brown. So you cook 2 minutes your ravioli and mix it with sage butter. But let me tell you, my favorite sauce is fresh tomato sauce full of basil, fresh olive oil. You know, as I'm Pugliese, I really love to bring flavor from the south with a beautiful shape of pasta from the north Italy. And buon appetito, ragazzi!